I was going through my normal screening stock process and I came across the stock FEYE and I saw a really nice pattern, bullish forming, flat pattern forming, which is a bull flag here. And before I talk about the technicals of the stock, and I think the stock is going to go up a lot, let's look at the company, what it does. FEYE is a publicly traded cybersecurity company headquartered in California. It has been involved in the detection and prevention of major cyber attacks. It provides hardware, software, and services to investigate cybersecurity attacks, protect against malicious software, and analyze IT security risk. This sector is hot right now. Anything related to IT, anything related to cybersecurity is very hot. Given the pandemic situation, everybody's working from home, so this company has a huge potential in the near future. But not just that, it's making a very bullish pattern, which means that more and more people are interested to buy this stock, so it could have a really nice bullish price movement very soon coming. Now, according to Yahoo Finance, I'll put the link down below to the article, but FEYE continues to see revenues and partner profitability increases. So whatever it partners from, they're continuously to see revenue increases. So that's a very good sign. And talking about the technicals, which I'm going to go in detail, it's forming a bull flag. So you see it's a bull flag, which is what it looks like. So when it forms a flag, when it breaks out, it has a huge powerful move. So let's look at the technicals here real quick. So this is a FEYE chart, ticker FEYE. And if you notice here, the first thing I notice here is forming this really nice bull flag, right? And bull flag pattern, that's what it looks like, right? What we see here is that it forms a really nice hole, and then it forms a flag, and once it breaks out, boom, it has a very powerful move, and that's what we're looking for. So not just that, but I'm also finding other technical key areas, which is the support area around this $20. $20 is a whole number. So notice here how it came down here at $20 and it immediately pushed back up, and now staying above the $20 level. But at the same time, it's for this moving average, which is also on the uptrend. So the moving average is also on the uptrend, which means more and more people are interested in buying the stock at a higher price, which means that could drive the price even higher once this pattern breaks. Okay, and notice how here at the bottom, those volume candle, when the stock had a really nice push, had a really big volume, which means a lot of people are very interested in buying, but at the same time, when the stock is coming down, nobody's selling. So there's a really low volume, which means more and more people are interested and they're not willing to sell their stock. So they're looking for a bigger move, which is also a very good sign. Okay, and then what I'm expecting is the price to go up like this. And when it does, it could have a really powerful move. However, it's very possible the stock could go other way. And if it does this, it means the pattern is not valid anymore. Okay, however, it has not done yet. So what I would do is, my game plan, it would be to buy here inside the flat as close as possible to this trend line below of the flat, right? The reason why, if I buy as close as possible, which means if it does do this red candle, I can take a stop, I can get stopped out and take a very small loss. However, if it does work, I can have a huge reward, right? So as a trader, you always want to make sure you put yourself in a higher probability situations. So for example, this is a very high probability setup. At the same time, you have very good risk to reward. So if you're risking very less money, but your reward is very big if it works out. So if you do this continuously again and again, you will end up profitable and be in this game very successful. So that being said, my game plan for this stock is that buy around this $20 area as close as possible, you know, to this support area, to this moving average around $20 to $21. Okay, and my stop is if it does this, if it breaks below this trend, I get out and take a small loss. Okay, however, if it does work, I will take profits around $23 to $25, even more. I don't know what's going to happen, but I will be taking profits along the way. Okay, and you can hold a small final piece and see if it goes up to $30 too, right? But you want to make sure you take some profits while you have a very big move, so that if it does come back down, you don't freak out and you don't lose all your profits, right? So that's it, guys. Make sure to put this in your watch list, keep an eye on it, buy here if you want. That's what I'm going to be doing. Again, it's all up to you. Make sure you do your own due diligence before doing it. And if you guys like this, make sure you subscribe and like, and I will be posting these videos every single week. All right,